All right, one last video to kind of get us started here with regard to dynamics of the course. You've done the getting started module. You got all your assignments done there. You've just done the review assignment. Hopefully it went well. And now you're ready to do our first official Math 114 assignment, which again, I'm referencing a textbook. In this textbook, it was section 1.8, but the main topic is basically exponents in order of operation. So that's essentially what we're going to be learning here. So let me go ahead and share my screen, walk you through again what a typical module looks like so you're ready to pretty much go through the whole course. So again, you're currently looking at our home screen, right? When you're ready to go to do a module, you'll come over here to the modules and press on that. There's the getting started module that you've completed. There's the practice review model that you completed, and then there's the 1.8 module that you're going to be doing. As promised, every module has an overview page, right? Has an exponents and notation. There has some pages of videos, has a discussion board to interact with questions you might have, has a place to download your guided notes, have a place to do your homework. So again, when you go to the overview page, there's basically what the learning objectives are, right? We're going to revisit and work with exponential notation. We're going to relearn our order of operations, and we're going to revisit evaluating and simplifying expressions, right? You're going to upload your guided notes, right? And so what you'll see in these guided notes, it's basically several pages long, right? It's 5 pages long, but I'm going over exponents. I'm going over your order of operations, famously known as PEMDAS, practicing PEMDAS, right? Still more practice of PEMDAS, and then evaluating and working with expressions. So just as promised in the video, in the objectives, right? So there they all are. So I told you that's what we're going to learn. You saw in the guided notes. Again, if it looks familiar with you, good. If it doesn't, you're going to start, either way, you're going to start watching videos. So when you go next, basically the first video pretty much goes through all the exponents, right? That page of exponents, how to do them, what an exponent is, as well as a summary. Next page is more videos with regard to PEMDAS. Again, what it is, what it means, how to do it, right? And then all the practice that you saw on that sheet. And then the last page is basically working with some videos talking about evaluating expressions, simplifying expressions, and how to do that based off of the this current section work. And then when you press next, there's going to be an opportunity to participate in a discussion board. Again, if there's something in the video that needs more re-explanation, dare I say, if you find an error, I do make them. My students find them all the time. Please let me know and I can correct it or reshoot the video or whatever the case might be for others. But whatever the case might be, or if you just have a question over the homework, over the quiz or anything at all right, make sure you do that. And then, of course, there's a page to upload your guided notes. As per the syllabus, you have 3 attempts to do this. I advise you again to work ahead. If you can submit them, like let's say these are due June 5th, but if you get them done over the weekend on June 3rd, right, I can grade them, right? And if there's something missing, you'll have another attempt to get it right, all right? Because again, this is my way of giving you what I think is important and how to do these. I'm teaching you. I'm your teacher for the semester. So I want to make sure you're hearing what I'm saying and writing down what I'm saying. If anything's missing, I'm going to dock some points, all right? But when you're ready to do that, just as you saw, you press start assignment, you upload the file. Now, again, I have Cam Scanner that can upload everything into one page. So there's my guided notes. All right. And then I submit the assignment and my guided notes have been uploaded for me to grade. All right. Again, I did it officially. I'm allowed 3 attempts. So that's why it's saying a new attempt. So I grade it. If it's good, I give you a 5. If it's missing something, I give you, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then if you do this in enough time, you can have time to correct it. But if you wait until a deadline, after that deadline, you're going to get the grade that you're going to get. All right, so there's the guided note submission page, and then you're going to wrap everything up by doing a quiz. All right, so again, there's the quiz itself. You'll upload the quiz. Again, you'll print it out or put it on scratch paper. You'll do the problems on your own. I can't emphasize this enough. Remember, you are preparing for in-person assessment. As a matter of fact, take your technology away because you're not allowed technology as well. Just sit there with a paper, pencil, even time yourself if you want. Take about 30 minutes to take this quiz, just so you're working with that time element. But make sure that you're comfortable with the material you're supposed to learn. Of course, you can reference your notes. I'm not there to do it, but that's fine as well. All right, but just make sure you get it done. Convert your work to PDF, JPEGs, or PNGs, and then upload your assignment. Again, there's your start assignment. You upload it again. My cam scanner, I got it in my section 1.8 quiz, right? And then I submit it and I am done. All right. So as far as this is concerned, I've got it done. Notice that the new attempt button is not highlighted because you're only allowed one attempt. So make sure when you're down to the quiz, you do get it right. All right. And by the deadline. And so I'm finished with section 1.8. I'm finished with the exponents. So if I press next, it takes me into the next module 2.1, which again, you'll see some learning objectives, a link to the guided notes, and then the next, several pages of video. So that is how our course is designed. Let me go back to modules. So again, throughout the semester, all right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday nights, there's usually at least one module due, right? There's an overview page. There's pages of videos for you to watch and do those guided notes, a discussion board to ask your questions, a page to upload your completed guided notes, and then a page to upload your quiz and your homework based off of the section that you're currently working on. So I hope that pretty much explains everything. You are truly ready to start. All right. I'm ready to see your work, get some grading done, get ready for a midterm, get ready for a final, and get this thing done and finished and move on in your math careers. All right. So I'm always here to help. Thank you for listening to me for now on. You're going to listen to me a lot more and a lot of other videos coming soon. And I'll see you then. Take care.